Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite a while, but this is Makeup by Jillian. Hope you didn't forget. So right now I'm obviously in my car. We're just doing a little on the go quick look. Okay, so for the first product, I'm just going to start with a little sunscreen action. And this is by Tinted. So just starting with that base of sunscreen, and I'm just going to be laying out at the pool today, so we're just doing like a little bit of light makeup. Next, for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Brow Blade. Usually this is shade Taupe. I don't really have a mirror, so I'm just gonna use my car mirror right now. Okay, got these filled in pretty nicely, at least from what I can tell. So now I'm gonna go ahead and gel them, and that's with the Anastasia clear brow gel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them up a little bit. Okay, whatever, just gonna move on. So next step, let's go ahead and do some concealer. So for concealer, I'm using the Smashbox Halo, and this one is shade AC2. So yeah, I don't really know the name because I threw away the box, but yeah. So it has this little brush where you like just squeeze the product up by twisting it. I'm just gonna apply it straight on. So we got some under the eye. Yeah, I haven't really made a video in quite a while because I've been working a job that I hate and I haven't been passionate about anything, but yeah, that's just the God honest truth. Yeah, at so-called job, Joey, Newport Beach. Already got the product on, sorry I forgot to show you, but we're using the Rare Beauty blush in shade Happy. Yeah, I've had this for quite some time because I think it's just gonna last forever. You literally only need to use a little dot, and there's a lot of product in this. So for those of you that do not know, my site is now live, so it's ASTRO Cosmetics. We do have one beauty blender up already, and this is the Cosmic Blender. You can see it's a little dirty right now, sorry about that, because I've been using it. And then there's one going live this week, and that's going to be called the Pink Nebula. So yeah, go check out the site and order some of our blenders. Also comment below what kind of products you'd like to see from me. If there's any specific thing you'd like to see come out first, I'd really love to hear your guys' input. But I am working on a few things that will be coming out pretty soon, so stay tuned. For my next step, I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara, and this is the Lancome Hypnose. Whatever, this one. It goes on nice and easy. There's not really a lot of clumping with this mascara, which I really do like. So apparently if you do 4 layers of mascara on your lashes, then they will look like falsies. Alright, so we got 4 layers on the lashes. They look pretty popping. And here we're doing the Makeup Forever, and I don't care if you think white is out of date because Alex Earl moved to the nude, but your girl has always been doing white and I'm not going to stop. Period. Ugh. I have the AC on, so it's like blurring in my eye too. It's not helping me. Cool, so I think that about wraps up my little look. Thank you for watching my mini little get ready with me while I'm in my car. We're just on the go always, but please comment below and like and subscribe. Comment what you'd like to see next, and definitely check out my brand. You can find our online shop on astrocosmetics.us, or you could go to our Instagram and you can just find our shop there. But yeah, please check out our new blenders, and thank you for watching. This is